How to buy the Alexius Maximus token. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to follow or check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. Now let's go and buy this token. Now make sure you have an account on DexScreener or go and create one. As you can see, this token, it's available on DexScreener. As you can see, it's increased by 2000% in the last 24 hours. And as you can see, the 99% of liquidity is locked. That means your investment in the safe place. Now this token is under Ethereum network. Now go and copy the token address and go and open your Bitget wallet or any wallet that you use. For this, I will use the Bitget wallet. Now here I will switch the network to Ethereum and click on plus icon and now paste the token address from here. Now this is our token. As you can see, click on plus and now go back to be able to find this token. Just go back. As you can see, this is it. Now click it and now click on swap and switch it from here. Now select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT. Make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now type here how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds. As you can see, this is how much you receive with that token. Now that's what you need to do. Just click on buy and you will buy this token. So this is how to buy the Alexius token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.